Hello everybody, this is Rusted Resurrection. My name is Bill, and today is a different and kind of sad day on the farm because for the first time ever we are selling one of the cars in our collection. We keep adding to the collection, but we never reduce cars in the collection, but today we're going to do that. So in that building right there is a 1978 MGB, and my wife has owned that car for 20 years, and in 20 years we haven't driven it. It's been in storage. It's stuck in the corner over here on dollies, and over on this side is one of my Jeeps. So we are selling the car. The person is coming to pick it up today, and we need to get the Jeep out and rolled out of the way, and then we need to get the MG moved over to where the Jeep is, get it pulled out, put on the trailer. I told the guy that is buying it that I would transport it for him, so today we're going to do that. And to make it all that much worse, it's 27 degrees this morning here in New Hampshire. It's cold, and it's going to be a real bear trying to get this thing done with temperatures the way they are, but we'll get it done. So this is what we're facing. We need to get the CJ5 pulled out. This is a restoration project that I started years ago, and hope to, once I get the MG out of here, and there's the MG, once I get the MG out of here, I hope to make this into a little bit of a restoration shop. I actually started doing that a few videos back, building those shelves up there. But anyway, so once the CJ is out, we can roll the MG over into this section of the bay, and you can see that we are on dollies. So once we get the Jeep out, we'll roll this over, pull it off the dollies. It doesn't run. It runs, but it doesn't run because it hasn't been running in 20 years. We're going to pull our John Deere tractor out and hook the John Deere up to this, roll this over, hook the John Deere up to that, pull that out, and then probably using the John Deere, we're going to pull that up onto the trailer and again deliver it to the new owner, who only lives a few miles from here. All right, let's go ahead and get that done. Let's pull that Jeep out. You know, one of the first things I got to do though is I got to blow these tires up. They don't hold air very well because they're old. So we'll blow the tires up so the thing rolls. actually rolls pretty easy, so we can pull here. I'll try to pull over here. Over something. Ready? Be gentle. Sure. Keep going. Yeah, I think you do. Alright, now that you're there,
Take this off?
yeah, and then we'll fold it up.
No, we can't, it's not windy enough.
Yeah. Okay, so we got the car moved from the corner over here. We're now ready to hook it up and pull it out and get it up on the trailer. This is where all the fun really starts. So far, hang on.
You get one in here.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, it's a lot easier without them, but it's cold. Yeah, it's down chilly out. So. There you go. You getting it? There you go.
It's not that heavy. Oh, this is fine.
Good cut. Alright, stop. Yep, straighten it out. Run here.
Well, no, let's get up over this next hump first.
Okay.
So, hold on.
Are you serious?
What's that?
I said this is gonna hurt.
I don't think it will. Just once we go, we got to keep going.
That's what I said. We ain't stopping.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Oh yeah, there we go. Stop, 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 stop. This is easy to open that tractor up.
Ready?
Yep, go. Keep going and go hard.
Oh, you need that back wall? You're just expanding.
The MG was delivered to the new owner. The next thing we need to do is I need to move that Jeep back into the corner that the MG was in so that I've got this all opened up. Yeah, and oh, by the way, that whole thing took me 4 hours. And in that 4 hours, the temperatures have gone from 27 degrees all the way up to 33 degrees. All right, so that's done. This is going to become my Jeep restoration garage. Next summer, I hope to do some modifications to it, and I'll bring you along for that video as well. Those videos, I want to insulate this. I want to put some wall sheathing around here, probably plywood, and put some cabinets, some workbenches, and probably going to put a heater in here too, so that I can actually do this all through the winter. So we're going to try to make this little garage the Jeep garage. So that's the plan. That'll be coming up next summer. Sometime along the way we'll be doing that. I've already started moving some of the different things that go to this Jeep up around the edges here. Shoving. I've got a lot of stuff in storage in another building. I got to start bringing that over. I've already done a video on that V6. I've also got the Jeep motor for the MB. That's going to come over here. That'll live down in here somewhere. We're going to do that this coming week as well. We'll get that V6 down here. Get that into storage. So anyway, guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. This is sort of a prelude to things to come. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's a new channel. We're trying to grow this thing. Leave a comment. Leave a comment if you would. It helps the algorithm. Tells YouTube that it is a good channel, something worth watching. Appreciate you guys being here. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.